Welcome to this tutorial of Solidworks. We are going to be making a simple shape. This is Solidworks app on the laptop. So we are going to be making this shape here, and we're going to be using the front plane. So we start from using the front plane. The front plane is here. We have front plane. This is front plane. We have top plane, and we have right plane. So we are going to be using our front plane. We tap on it, and once you tap on it, you come and pick the normal. So it will give you the X and Y axis. Then you go and pick your line under sketch. Pick your line. Once you pick your line, you come and form that shape that we saw there. So we tap it, we draw. Make sure it's at angle 90. We draw. We draw. We draw. We draw. Then we drop it in. So that's the shape. After that, the next step is to dimension. So you go and pick your smart dimension. That's the smart dimension. When you pick your smart dimension, you come and start dimensioning them according to the measurement that was given. But in this case, we are assigning measurements because we are not given. So let's give this one 2, type 2 and enter. Let's do this one. Let's do this one be 6. Tap it and draw. Then this one should be 6. Enter. Okay. Now this should we put 6 also? I also make this one bigger. Let us check. Let us relate with what is there. Let's use 8 for this. Let's use 8 for this. Let's use 8. Enter. And this you can use 4 for this. Let's enter 4 here. That's 4. And this one should be, we want to make an, okay, let's make this one 2 at first. So this one is 2. Enter. Then we want to make an angle of 120, or should it be 120? Let's try it. You tap on this, you tap on the 2 lines that are making the angle with, you come and tap on these 2. So you see it's giving you your angle. So you can just tap the angle. Let's make it this is already driven. Should we change the dimension of this to be smaller a bit so that it can give us a perfect angle? Let us change this one to 3. So I don't think this one, we can't change this because it's driven. It's driven already. Because you don't have an exact measurement for it, we are assuming. So let's just go to the next part. We want to turn it to 3D now. So we are going to be using extruded boss or base. Extruded boss or base. So tap on it. This is what you have. Then you change this direction of this arrow to the front. It's coming here. You have to direct it to the front. Then you tap on this place. This blind. Tap on it. See. So now you're gonna come and enter the measurements that you want it to go to the front. Should we use let us use 6. Let's use 6. So is that okay? Or we should use 8 or 10 safe? Let's increase this to 8. Let's use 8. Okay, yes. So when you are satisfied with whatever you have done, you come and click OK here. It will give you the extruded but so this is what we have here. So now we need to do some cutting here. So you click on this place and come and touch the normal to bring it to our view so that we can see it very well. So we are going to be using, go back to sketch. We are going to be using the corner rectangle. Why? We want to cut this place. We want to cut it inside a bit to give us a particular shape. To give us this shape, not a particular shape. We want to get this shape, so we want to cut this place inside a bit. So you can pick your corner rectangle. It's already, you can, if you check the drop down, you see corner, you see corner, you see center, but we need corner now. So you come and pick at this point, tap, and come and end it at this point here. Make sure it's meeting the okay. So once you have done that, you can pick your extruded cut, because we want to cut it. Extruded cut. So now you can see that it has highlighted the parts, and we have 8 centimeter 8 millimeter there. I want to check. Let's just cut it like, let's cut 3 out of that 8. So let's use 3, or should we use 4? Let's use 3. 3, enter. Sometimes you have cut 3 out of the 8. Come and press OK. So it has cut it, but you cannot see it very well like this. You have to go and check your view orientation, and you will put it in the isometric view. You can see that that's what we have. So like that, this is how we get our view. You can see that we already getting the view. You can see that what is there. So we've gotten that view. So that's just for the basic part of this tutorial. We are going to be doing the drawing. So after this, you save. You press your Ctrl S. Ctrl S. So you can just save as a online tutorial 1. Let's use our keyboard here and type online tutorial 1. Let's use .plt because it's part .plt. And we come and pick. Okay, it's already in .plt here too. So let us just save. So since we have saved our work, we now go to drawing. So you can click on a new file, but not this time. You go to drawing and you press OK. So we want to go and put it on a paper. Mostly we normally use A3 for this kind of drawing. We use A3. So you press OK. It will bring out the paper. So we have selected the drawing documents, only pattern assembly can be inserted into drawing. So this is what we are doing here. This is the online tutorial that we did. So we're going to pick it. So we have double tap. You double tap it. When you double tap it, you come and drop it. So that's it. So you can see that's it. So you now come in. This is the view. This is the isometric view. You also need the front view. So you can just tap any of this. This is right view. That's the side. Let's pick the side view. You can see it has changed to side view. When you check the isometric, you see it has changed. When you want to check for the top, this is the top. When you want to check for the bottom, this is the bottom. When you want to check for the left, this is the left side. So but let this be the isometric. Is another instrument you can use to project it all around. You just go to projected view. When you go to projected view, you click on it. So it's any side you go to is going to give you the projected view. You see. So that's just all about the projected view. So but now we want to do something else. We want to make some hidden lines visible. Let's check how it goes. So you come and click on it. You can see the hidden line for this one. You can see. Can you see? So let's go back to our view layout. Display state 1. So we have picked another part of the model drawing. I want to drop it here, but we can change this one towards to the side, to the right one. So that's for that. You can come and pick it again. So once you want to pick your drawing, you go to model view. When you go to model view, you go and pick the online tutorial, tap it twice, you drop it, then you go and pick the kind of view you want. This top, one top here, so that's just it. So this is the isometric, this is the top, this is the side, or right. So these are the main drawings. These are the main drawings that we need. So if you feel that you want to rearrange them, you can just carry them to anywhere you like by clicking one of the edges. By clicking one of the edges and dragging it wherever you want to take it to. You understand? So maybe you want to arrange it, and that's just it. So you can just save, Ctrl S. So once you are done, you can save. You can come here. No. Just want to save. Press your Ctrl S. This time you can save it as .glt. And you press enter. So like that you are done. So that's just the basics. Those are the basics. Thank you for watching. In the next video we are going to be doing another type. Welcome.